Hi friends, and welcome to my first YouTube video. I am so excited to be doing this today. I figured what better way to start off 2020 than to step outside of my comfort zone, try something new, and overall just have a really fun creative outlet. So here we are. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite pieces that I made last year and exactly how I styled them. Okay, so the first thing that I made was this two-piece matching kimono set. Here is the outer piece. Added a fun stripe detail. And then the matching pant. It's high-waisted, elastic waistband. It has this stripe going down, and then it is a wide leg. I tuck a plain black t-shirt into it, and then I pair it with a white boot. Oh my god, this heel has seen better days. This whole boot in general has seen better days. But it actually works so perfectly with this outfit. It was not planned to do stripe on stripe, but I'm not complaining. This outfit together is really sporty, fresh, chic. I love it, it's cute. I wear some boots, but it is a little bit more casual. So when I do want to wear this pant, let's say to work, I pair it with a black silk cami. I did not make this, but I think it's a staple in everybody's closet, and everyone should have a little black silky tank because it's so easy to just tuck into a super fun, loud pant. I also throw on a black blazer and then pair it with a black boot. So it makes it a little bit more elevated and balances out the loud pant with a more professional feel. So next is this crushed velvet mini skirt with these gold little, what would you call this? Just a little gold stud detail. It is flowy around the hips. It has a zipper to get in on the side, and then I added a high slit. This silhouette is the same silhouette that you would see in midi length skirts that are high-waisted that are really trendy right now. I just brought up the hem super short. I didn't want it to be really tight around my hips and then have a really high slit because I was planning on wearing it during the holidays around family. I did find this silky emerald bodysuit that literally went perfect together. So absolutely loved it. It was a really fun holiday look and I'm excited about it. I also bought this fabric in 4 yards. I kind of went crazy with it because I was so obsessed. So if you see me wearing emerald green all of 2020, that is exactly why I have so much green fabric. It's not even funny. Okay, moving on to more green fabric. This little dress. Okay, disclaimer, this dress does not fit me perfectly. It is a little loose, I do know that, but overall the dress is super cute. The color and the detail is just so perfect. So this is the front. It is a raglan sleeve top and it has a wide neckline, and then in the back it crisscrosses, and just once this is around your waist, it just opens so nicely and so cute. It's so sexy. See, so sexy. It is midi length, so it goes right past my knees. It has a cinched waist, and then there is a little slit in the center, so it's a little bit more easy to move around in. I absolutely love this color. I love the sheen on the fabric, and this back is to die for, and it's really cute, so I wanted to show you guys. For the sake of just this video and wanting to showcase what kind of started this all, this is the plaid button-up that I made for Joey. This was the project that kind of started this all, which is a little bit funny. I was off one day, I had nothing to do, and I figured, let me just make Joey a plaid shirt right now. And I put it on social media and I documented the whole thing, and by the end of the day, I had so many DMs and so many messages. Everybody was invested in this shirt getting finished and how it was gonna look because they literally saw it from start to finish. This is the shirt though. It is completed other than those little buttonholes, and I absolutely love it. It's so crazy that you can make one decision that kind of influences like decisions down the line. And I think if I would have never done this, I wouldn't have realized that this was actually really fun to share with people. And a lot of people are excited to kind of see things being created, and I sure as hell love creating things, so it kind of worked out perfectly, and I'm so happy that I made this shirt. So now I'm going to be talking about accessories and what you can pair with. I mean, I know we already finished the holidays, but I mean, let's be real. We don't just wear holiday outfits during the holidays. They become our favorite outfits, and then we wear it throughout the whole year, and we love it. And then next holiday is when we get more fancy clothes, and it keeps going. So I'm going to show you some accessories that I absolutely loved in 2019 that I paired with a lot of my fun outfits. First are little gold hoops, and really versatile, and also they're lightweight. Make sure you are getting earrings that are lightweight. I wear earrings every single day. I will wear big, heavy earrings because I think it just like makes an outfit. Anyways, your earlobes will never stop growing and they start stretching, and you do not want that because you're gonna regret it when you're 60. Make sure that you are getting earrings that are lightweight so they don't damage your ear holes. This pains my heart to say, but we did have one casualty in the making of this video. This pearl earring, and I say this one because my other one broke and I'm so sad about it. It looked really nice up against this bodysuit. It was like my favorite look together. So next are the ones that I am wearing, and this is just a tortoiseshell heart, and it's lightweight. I like it when I'm not trying to wear something really long or a big statement piece, just something that is cute, fun. So yeah, so next for earrings, I have these guys, and they look a little bit more blue than green, which I'm a little bit bummed about, but it actually goes perfectly, and it's a nice little, not too similar, a little bit different and really cute. I am obsessed with rhinestone earrings. I know that these were once in, and then they kind of fell out when like the housewives would do the big chunky rhinestone necklaces. Don't know about necklaces, but if I'm already loving the earrings again, then we shall see about the necklaces. I bet you anything they're gonna come back around because everything comes back around. And lastly, I have these guys. You just stamp right onto your ear. They fall really nice. Just makes you look so chic. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow. Okay, so that is it for accessories. Other than that, I don't really wear too many necklaces. I like showing off the chest, the collarbones, and I like having a statement earring. So typically I just stick to that. So those are my styling tips. Alrighty, so that concludes my first YouTube video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to even watch this. I am going to be doing more content like this in the future, more styling videos, outfit ideas, sprinkle in some beauty and makeup because I mean it is all one and the same, and overall just how to make getting ready more fun and easy. So if you are excited about that, please subscribe. I am going to be posting every week around the same time. Sundays, let's say 12 o'clock, we're gonna aim for that. Anyways, so leave me a comment if you did like this video. Also, if there's anything that you want to see specifically, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. And back in Narnia that closet goes. Because talking to yourself makes me parched.